Hi and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to type different math equations using Microsoft Word. So just watch and learn. So there are different things we're going to do. We're going to do integration, we're going to do trigonometry and several others, but just watch and learn. By the end of this video I'm sure you'll be an expert at doing this. So we're going to write a test. As you can see here, I have a test that is incomplete, but I'm going to just type in some words. So the first one I'm going to type is prove. So this is going to be my first question. So inside here, I want to insert some equation. So I'm going to go to my equations here. I'm going to insert new equation. And then this is actually a trigonometric equation. So we're going to go to where we have the sine function here. Then we're going to insert this tan inverse. Okay, so right there, just go to where you have that box there. Then we're going to type in a bracket. So inside our bracket, we're going to type in a fraction. So I'm going to make use of this fraction right here. So just type in there. So I'm going to make this a half, then 2 down. So you make use of your right and left direction keys to navigate. As you can see, it's actually fitting. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, then just click outside the equation and then click V. Okay, so I'm going to type in the next one. The next one is actually 1 over 5. Make that 1 over 5 is equal to, click outside, then click V again. Click V. Alright, so the next value is 7 over 9. Alright, and there we go. We have our first equation. Alright, so that's gonna be our number 1. So that's how I would type the trigonometric equation. Alright, so there are different ways, but then I have a favorite one that I like using. But before we do that, let's let's type that correctly. So we're gonna go to insert, then we're gonna make use of this same go to equation again, and then this time we're gonna type inc equation. Okay, so we're gonna select this inc equation, and then we're gonna draw. So this is gonna be an integration number. We're gonna draw an integral just like that. Then we're going to draw a big root like that. And inside my root, I'm going to have some values. I have 1 minus x over 1 plus x. Okay, as you can see, it has actually worked out. So click insert. It's actually appeared. Let's enlarge it a little bit. So second question is actually going to be evaluate. This is going to be the integration. Okay, so that's number 2. Let's just reduce the size of that. Alright, let's go to number 3. We're gonna type in something a little bit more complicated, but let's go for that. Prove that. Actually, let's just go back to font size 12. Okay, prove that sine of 60 degrees is equal to root 3 over 2. That's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna have a degree symbol. But for that to happen, we're gonna make use of superscript. It's just going to insert, actually stay in your home. Then we're gonna click this, so it will turn that degree sign into a superscript. Okay. is equal to root 3 over 2. So I'm gonna insert a fraction. Let's go to where you have fractions right there. I'm gonna select the upper one. I'm gonna select this root 3 over 2. Okay, and there we go. As you can see, it's actually coming out well. Right, so that's how I type a simple root equation. Then let's try something more complicated. Let's try prove that. Let's try something more complicated. So let's go to insert. Since we're going to make use of our equation again, and then also, so let's go to equation. Let's type in something slightly more complex than that. Tan 3 so let's correct that. Let's clear that. Tan 3 A is equal to 3 tan 3 tan A minus tan cubed A over 1 minus 3 tan squared A. Right, so there we go, we can insert that. Right, that's looking good. Let's try something else. Now I usually make use of the equation so much, it's actually the best one to actually use. It's actually easy because I can actually almost type anything I want. Before we do that, let's just type the question. Evaluate. Right, let's insert that equation again. Insert equation. Let's enlarge this. We're going to type in something more complex. So we're going to make a big integral sign like that. Okay, then we're going to have the value is 3x squared plus x plus 1 over x minus 2 into x plus 1, close that bracket, cubed. Dx. Then this one has limits. There's a 4 up here and there is a 3. Right, so that's it. Let's insert that, and there you go, we have something more complex. Okay, and then lastly, Now for this, I will also make use of that ink equation. So I would actually make use of the ink equation. It's actually the best. Let's try cos squared theta over cos squared theta plus sine squared theta over let's enlarge this is equal to cosec okay, and there we go. Right, and that's basically how to type in some of these math equations. If you feel you learned something, just feel free to subscribe and then tell me below in the comments if this tutorial really helped you, and just keep practicing. So just watch and learn. So this is Microsoft Office 2021, and it actually has those features within. But thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, I encourage you to subscribe and then make sure to hit the notification bell so that you get updates every single time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye.